One cone penalty is going to add 5 seconds to his time. Looks like the time to beat yet is Jeremiah Creasy with 49.4 seconds. Up next, we're going to see James Gray from Maxitani, Pennsylvania, driving a 96 Toyota Tacoma.
He has that for Du Bois.
There we go. The fire guys didn't appreciate that, but I thought it was kind of cool. Bring it home, dude. All right, nice run, James. Up next, Luke Troutman, 97 Ford F-150. Got a John Deere license plate on there. I maybe would have saved that. We got a time for James Gray of 55 seconds even, no penalties. That's currently good for second place right now. As Darren said, Luke Troutman's up next. He's from Wummelsdorf, driving a 97 Ford F-150. All right, he did get a real close gap on the tire there. It did move it slightly, so they're going to move the tire back into position. At this time, we just would like to recognize some of our sponsors here tonight. We want to say thank you to Burkholder Tractor and Equipment, Call Farm, Woodland Contractors, Deer Country,